Here's how to fix if Genmoji is not showing up on your iPhone. Now, if you're on your iPhone and you wanted to use the latest Apple Intelligence feature called Genmoji, I'm going to walk you through the process on why you might not be able to see that and how to get it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing you're going to do is hop into your settings here and tap on General and then Software Update. You can see here, I'm on 18.1, so iOS 18.1. If you turn beta updates on for public beta or say even developer beta, and I go back here, you'll be able to see there's an update on here. So instead of iOS 18.1, I can get 18.2. So the iOS developer beta is 18.2. Might take a second to search for that update. Now, keep in mind, if you find that you don't have that Genmoji, it's because essentially Genmoji is going to be released a bit later. So it says iOS 18.2 with Genmoji on this Mac Rumors website on this article, and it says it will be released to the public the first week of December. So here we are, early November. In about a month, it will be released to the public, and everyone else will be able to use that Genmoji. However, keep in mind, you do need the ability to turn on Apple Intelligence, which is only a feature for iPhone 15, 15 Pro, iPhone 16, 16 Pro. So if you have an iPhone 14 or earlier, you will not be able to have access to Genmoji, even if you update to iOS 18.2, because essentially Apple Intelligence is gate-kept for only iPhone 15 and 16. But after you've done that, all you need to do is basically start typing in something. So if you start typing in cat with hat, and you tap on the little smiley face at the bottom left, basically what it will do is it will generate an emoji. So Genmoji, generate an emoji associated with that specific phrase or word or characters or whatever you put in there. And you can kind of create your own figures or characters on here to be able to send us text messages, emails, all that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.